Alright, so here's some parts. We're going to start out with front grills, and we're going to work our way towards back grills. These are for modern fans, so don't get mad. So, these are all from Lasko's, just so you know, because I mainly had Lasko's and other fans. Let's get started. This goes with 2012 Lasko 3733. This is one of the fans my grandma had, but it no longer works. So I took the front grill off of it. It's 2012 Lasko 3733. Here's a 2015-16 Lasko B2200. I'm keeping this one because this still has the older logo on it. I'm keeping this one. I don't know why, but the grill's pretty warped in. It's actually completely warped. So I'm going to bend it back into shape pretty soon. I'm going to make a video of these grills being repaired. Let's see which one's which. This is a 2015-16 B2200 and a 2017-18 3733. Well, I just wanted to make a video on my parts, so I guess thanks for watching.